Hello everyone and welcome to Claymas Day 3. Today we're doing the Little Debbie Christmas cakes. These cakes are just one of my favorites. Anyways, I'm doing a voiceover for this video just because of how chaotic it ends up being. There's a lot of bad trial runs that we had. This is trial 1 and it didn't really work out. Once I push this out, it just doesn't look like a Christmas tree at all. And that ended up being my problem for the next 4 trials. So I end up just kind of getting a little frustrated because I didn't know what to do. I thought moving the clay around it would work, and it didn't. It really didn't. This is me trying to figure out what to do. Yeah, see, look, it just... Once you do this, it just doesn't look like a Christmas tree anymore. So, I got very angry about that. So, trial 3, you know, 3rd time's a charm. We're thinking going in strong. It's gonna work out, maybe. Maybe. And, let's see what happens. No, it doesn't work. So, I tried fixing it and seeing if I could get another way, but it didn't work. I actually have another tree cookie cutter that I thought, I'll give it a try. And it works! I don't know what the difference of the cookie cutters is, but this is me very proud of it. I don't know what the difference is, but I think I press down harder and lift up faster is a technique. I don't really know, or it's just the cookie cutter, I'm not sure. Who knows? This is me making the icing for all the trees. Little drizzle, whatever you want to call it. I love this angle. This angle is beautiful. It really is beautiful. This is me showing my empty cup of iced coffee and myself. I also want to tell you guys how I made the sprinkles for this after. Basically, if you're new to polymer clay, what you're going to do to make sprinkles is roll out the colored clay that you'd like into like a long thin strip and then bake it for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then it will harden and you can just chop it up and then you have sprinkles. It's a really easy hack that I feel like a lot of people don't know about. I get a lot of questions about it on my TikTok, so I thought I'd share that little tip. This is me applying all of the sprinkles to the cakes, just using like Sculpey's glaze. And this is how they turned out. I have 4 of them available in my shop. I did make one with a bite in it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that one in the shop. There's 4 in the shop. If you wanna go check them out, get them while you can. I'll ship them immediately, so you get them by Christmas. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go check it out. Bye, guys.